Aloha! 안녕하세요. This is Juny. Today I will show you how to make a kimjang. Have you encountered the term kimjang already? Kimjang is a long-standing food custom throughout Korea. In the past, Koreans didn't have refrigerators and vegetables were so expensive during winter. That's the reason why they made a lot of kimchi in November or December and kept it to eat in the winter season. That is what we call kimjang. Kimjang. I decided to have 12 cabbages for kimjang this year. Usually the first thing to do is to make a salt water in a bucket and soak the cabbages there. But this year I used plastic bags. So I divided the cabbages into 3 plastic bags and soaked them in brine. I soaked the cabbages in the brine for 8 to 9 hours, so I have to flip them over in the middle of time. If the cabbages are well pickled, wash them 3 times and drain the water. I chopped mustard leaves and green onions. I need ground garlics, onions, gingers, and apples. Using a knife for chopping radish is easy, but if you slice them by hand, it is more delicious. I need ground garlics, onions, gingers, and apples. After that, grounded garlic, onions, gingers, apples, shrimp, and other salt fish will be mixed with red pepper powder. Next, mix well all of seasonings. Now I'm already set. Then rub the seasonings onto the cabbage to complete the kimchi making process. Now I'm done making kimjang. On the day of kimjang, we usually have boiled pork wrapped in pickled cabbage and leftover seasonings for kimjang. It tastes very good. Making kimjang takes a long period of time and it's difficult, but Koreans enjoy making kimjang because we can eat delicious kimchi during the winter. Today I showed you how to make kimjang. I hope you had enjoyed in watching this video. Please don't forget to press the like, subscribe, and notification button. Once again, this is Juny. Bye.